eyes? Nose? Where's your eyes? Very good. Nose? Mouth? Cheeks? Cheeks. Ears? Hair? Where's your hands? Oh, are you brushing your hair with your fork? Say, Baby Owen. Good job. Indiana. Where's your hair? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Put your fork down. Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Very good. Where are your hands? Yeah. Where's your cheeks? Cheeks. Where's your chin? Where's your chin? Chin. Okay, close enough. Show Mommy your eyes. Very good. What's this? Look at Mommy's. Where's Owen? Where's Owen? Where'd you go? Where's Owen? Boo! Where's Owen? Boo! Hi! Okay, look at Mommy. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Owen, look. Say bye, Mommy. Oh. You're silly. Can you say I'm silly? I'm silly. Can you say love you? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say love you.
Hello.
Can you say Grayson?
Teacher.
You say Malia. Say Malia. Say Lori. Okay. Say Rich. Rich. Say Grayson.
Teacher.
Say Malia.
Teacher.
Close enough. Say love you guys.